Hold on there. Yo, stick it to 130, no.
The bother with it to the Dre. For the what? Mind the hydrant.
Oh! Yo! Nah.
Okay. Oh my god, he's in it. He's in it. He's in it.
They need to roll their way.
New York City has been hit by flash floods and thunderstorms as Storm Elsa makes its approach, resulting in dramatic photos and videos being shared online. Parts of the New York City and New Jersey metro area were hit by significant flash flooding on Thursday, the National Weather Service said in a forecast on early Friday morning. Tropical Storm Elsa, which first made landfall on Wednesday, moved through the mid-Atlantic states on Thursday night. It was forecast to accelerate northeast towards the New Jersey coast, and head towards the tri-state coast on Friday morning, the National Weather Service covering New York said. On Friday, a National Weather Service flood advisory was in place for New York City with high rainfall expected to cause flooding in areas that were low-lying and with poor drainage. NYC Emergency Management advised people not to drive cars on waterlogged roads, and to instead move to higher ground. Videos shared on social media on Thursday demonstrated how the weather was making day-to-day activities tough for the city's residents. One video shared over 17,000 times showed a person trying to navigate waist-deep water at a subway platform by the 1 train at 157th Street. Other footage shared by the same user depicted people take what they called the potato sack race approach to the flooding, as people used garbage bags to try to protect themselves from the water.